Motorsports booth with Brad DeBerti. Congratulations on Best of Show. Why don't you say something about your beast here, your 218 5.0 Mustang?
Yeah, no, it's you know, it's been a lot of work. Billy and I mean, I've been watching Billy and my dad build the cars since I've been a kid, so it's been a lot of inspiration looking at all your guys' build, and you know, it really, you know, transferred over to what I'm doing. So I worked with Billy on this car. We did his air design wing on it, which really completed the whole rear of the car, I personally think, just because how the body lines are and everything about it. It's just, it doesn't look like any other wing. I mean, you look at the other Mustang wings in here and they just look plain.
Right.
So this one's nice.
On that one.
Yeah.
Hey, how'd you get this thing so wide?
Well, what we did is, after thousands of hours of body work, we cut out our fenders and made our own wide body. So we sheet metaled everything, widened all the fenders. The rears widened 3 inches, the fronts widened 2 inches, and then we also tubbed the rear end.
Wow.
Did a drag style setup with the calipers and rotors right on the inside of the rear end. Changed the rear end to a Currie 9-inch with a third member. Went to a one-piece drive line, all basically drag race axles. So, because I mean, those are huge tires. So when this thing hooks up,
notices that.
When this thing hooks up, it's going to really hook up. The engine, we did the factory 5.0 Coyote engine with the Roush Supercharged on it. So they call it the 727 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
Which is a lot for a new car. It's crazy you can just bolt on power like that. But yeah, I mean, everything about the car, it's just, it was meant to look old school. And again, you know, yours and my dad's builds have always been way different than everyone else's. So that was the whole point. So, you know, making it old school with the tubbed rear end, everything we did about it. And then also, like, even the hood, we put in the computer, manipulated all the geometry, did an old school cow hood all the way to the windshield.
Oh, I noticed that when I first looked at it.
It's just different, you know, and but it's all the little unique parts, just like yours, that complete the car.
Well, Brad DeBerti, congratulations again.
Thank you, Billy. Couldn't do it without you guys.